Today we study about the immune system in the body. This is the topic of human health and disease, lesson 8, class 12 biology. This immune system in body includes the primary lymphoid organs, secondary lymphoid organs, MALT, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, and gut associated lymphoid tissue. So let us go through all these topics one by one. This is very important topic, and near about 1 mark questions have been asked so many times from this topic. So let us go through this. Immune system in the body. The immune system in the body includes the lymphoid organs, just like the lymphoid organs, cells, tissues, and soluble molecules as antibodies. Actually, antibodies are formed just after the entry of the antigen in the body, and this is the self-defense mechanism of the body. These antibodies destroy the particular kind of antigen or any pathogen. Now, it play an important role in allergic reactions, autoimmune disease, and organ transplantation, etc. So we can say that the immune system of the body just play an important role in the allergic reactions which takes place in the body, autoimmune disease, and organ transplantation, etc. So first of all, primary lymphoid organs. As we know that the lymphatic system is there in our body, and these lymphoid organs play an important role in the formation of the protective cells, just like the T cells and B cells. So T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, these are a kind of the WBC, which protect our body against many diseases. Or we can say that both of these T and B lymphocytes form our immune power of the body. So first of all, primary lymphoid organs. They include the thymus and bone marrow, where immune lymphocytes differentiated into antigen sensitive lymphocytes, which migrate to secondary lymphoid organs as after maturation. Now, thymus is lobed organ located near the heart, beneath the breastbone. This is the situation of the thymus. And thymus is enlarged in newborn or infants, while it decreases in the size after increasing the age. So thymus is very important gland. Thymus secretes the T lymphocytes and bone marrow secretes the B lymphocytes. Both of these, bone marrow as well as T lymphocytes, helps to improve the immune power of the body. It is quite large in infants. This is about the thymus. The thymus gland is quite large in infants or newly born, while reduced with increasing the age. Both bone marrow and thymus provide the microenvironment for the development and maturation of the T lymphocytes. As you know that T lymphocytes are very important, and they provide most of the immune power in the body. Now, secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs includes the spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, Peyer's patches of small intestine, and appendix also. Appendix is the it is known as vermiform appendix. At the end of the large intestine, a finger-like projection is there. So appendix also play an important role to produce the lymphocytes. They produce the sites for the interaction of lymphocytes with the antigen. The spleen is a reservoir of RBC. Hence, spleen also known as graveyard of RBC. That is spleen also known as graveyard of RBC. Graveyard means Kabristan, because it destroys the old and the matured RBCs, because the age of the RBC is near about 120 days. Now, the lymph nodes are small solid structures located at the different points. They serve to trap the microorganisms, antigens present in the lymph and tissue fluid. These antigens trapped in the lymph nodes and are responsible for the activation of lymphocytes as well as cause the immune responses. We can say that whenever the antigens enter inside the body, so these antigens are trapped in the lymph nodes. तो lymph nodes में trapped होते हैं by the lymphocytes, just like the B and T lymphocytes. Now, MALT, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. It is a lymphoid tissue located within the linings of the major tracts, just like the respiratory tracts, digestive tracts, and urinogenital tracts. It constitutes about 50% of the lymphoid tissue in the human body. We can say that mucosa associated lymphoid tissue play an important role to boost up the immune power in the body, because they participate to constitute about 50% of the lymphoid tissue in the human body. Now, GALT. GALT means gut associated lymphoid tissue. फुल फॉर्म भी 1 मार्क्स में इसकी पूछी जाती है दोनों की, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन आल्सो. तो gut associated lymphoid tissue, it is the largest mass of lymphoid tissue in the body. It consisting of the B and T lymphocytes, macrophages, and specific epithelial and intraepithelial lymphocytes. Thus, this is all about the immune system of the body, including primary and secondary lymphoid organs. If you enjoy my video, then like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.